Low fuel pressure, causes, symptoms, and fixes. Your car struggles to start, loses power when you press the gas, or even stalls without warning. One hidden culprit? Low fuel pressure. Low fuel pressure affects engine performance, fuel efficiency, and reliability. Ignoring it can leave you stranded or facing costly repairs. Today, we'll cover the main causes, the warning signs, and the most effective ways to fix low fuel pressure issues. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss any expert tips for keeping your car running smoothly. What is fuel pressure? Fuel pressure is the force created by the pump to push fuel from the tank through the lines and into the engine. Without enough pressure, your engine can't run smoothly. Proper fuel pressure keeps the air-fuel mixture balanced. Low pressure leads to misfires, sluggish acceleration, hard starting, and poor fuel economy. Causes of low fuel pressure. Several factors can cause low fuel pressure. Let's break down the most common ones so you know what to look for. 1. Weak or failing fuel pump. The fuel pump delivers fuel from the tank to the engine. Over time, it can weaken or fail, causing hard starting, sputtering, and loss of power. 2. Clogged fuel filter. A dirty filter restricts fuel flow, starving the engine and forcing the pump to work harder. Symptoms include hesitation, jerking, and rough idling. 3. Faulty fuel pressure regulator. If the regulator is stuck open or closed, pressure becomes unstable, leading to stalling, misfires, and poor acceleration. 4. Leaking or dirty fuel injectors. Clogged or leaking injectors reduce fuel delivery. This causes poor fuel economy, rough engine performance, and sometimes a fuel smell. 5. Damaged or leaking fuel lines. Cracked or corroded fuel lines allow fuel to escape, lowering pressure and creating a fire hazard. 6. Electrical issues or faulty fuel pump relay. A bad relay, blown fuse, or damaged wiring can prevent the pump from running at full speed, reducing fuel pressure. 7. Blocked fuel rail or connections. Debris, corrosion, or kinked hoses in the fuel rail can restrict flow and lower pressure. 8. Contaminated fuel. Water or dirt in the tank can clog the pump or injectors, reducing pressure and causing engine problems. 9. Running constantly on low fuel. Keeping the tank near empty makes the pump suck air, creating inconsistent pressure and stalling. 10. Faulty fuel pump control module. Some modern vehicles use a control module to regulate pump speed. If it malfunctions, fuel pressure can drop unexpectedly. Symptoms of low fuel pressure. Recognizing low fuel pressure early can prevent costly repairs. Here are the main signs to watch for. 1. Hard starting. The engine cranks but struggles to fire up because fuel isn't reaching the injectors at the correct pressure. 2. Stalling or rough idling. The car may start but then stall at stoplights or run unevenly at idle. 3. Engine misfires. Uneven combustion makes the car jerk or shake, especially during acceleration. 4. Sluggish acceleration. The car feels weak and unresponsive when trying to speed up or overtake. 5. Poor fuel economy. You'll fill up more often without extra mileage because the engine works harder to compensate. 6. Check engine light. Codes like P0087 or P0191 often indicate fuel pressure problems. A scan tool can confirm this. How to fix low fuel pressure issues. Now let's go through the most effective ways to fix low fuel pressure, step by step. 1. Replace the fuel pump. If the pump is weak, noisy, or dead, replacement is the only solution. Always use a quality OEM or equivalent pump. 2. Replace the fuel filter. A clogged filter restricts fuel flow. Replacing it on schedule keeps fuel moving freely and protects the pump. 3. Repair or replace the fuel pressure regulator. A faulty regulator causes unstable pressure. Replacement is usually the best fix to restore smooth fuel delivery. 4. Clean or replace fuel injectors. Dirty injectors can often be cleaned professionally. Leaking or damaged injectors should be replaced. 5. Repair damaged fuel lines. Any leaks must be repaired immediately to restore proper pressure and prevent fire hazards. 6. Check electrical connections and fuel pump relay. Inspect fuses, wiring, and relays for damage. Repair or replace faulty components to restore consistent pump operation. 7. Clear blocked fuel rails or connections. Debris or corrosion in fuel rails or fittings must be cleaned or replaced to maintain proper flow. 8. Replace contaminated fuel. If water or dirt is in the tank, drain and refill with clean fuel. Check the pump and injectors for damage. Conclusion. Prevent low fuel pressure by using quality fuel, replacing filters regularly, inspecting pumps and lines, and avoiding driving on near-empty tanks. Catch issues early to keep your car safe, reliable, and fuel efficient. Thanks for watching! If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, comment with your car's symptoms, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world automotive tips. See you in the next video!